Hi, I'm Jordan with ButterflyMX. Welcome. In this video, we are going to be reviewing a couple features within the ButterflyMX mobile app. The first section we're going to look at here is the call section. The call section will serve as your call logs. So any call made to you from the ButterflyMX touchscreen will be logged here. All calls will be date and time stamped. It will also show you here a photo of the person that made the call. The next section is the activity section. This is a comprehensive list of the visitors and deliveries you have received. Also, if a visitor comes while you are gone, you can find any voice or text messages left for you in this activity section here in the Messages tab. Now in door activity, all released door activity is date and time stamped. It will also tell you how the door was released. Your open door button is telling you that you swiped to open the door. Your swipe to open door button is found here on the home screen of your app. Pen tells you they used a door pen. Mobile application tells you that you released the door using the ButterflyMX mobile app. And that's going to cover your call log and your activity section. Thank you.